Hello guys, I just want to share with you a laswa or how to cook a laswa. So there is a pumpkin, brinjal, ladyfinger, saluyot at saka malunggay. So ayan yung kung paano siya iluto guys. And then this is a healthy and yummy foodies. So you add only here is salt to taste. So, yun lang yung ilagay mo dyan. And then, it says so yummy and very healthy food, guys. The mixed vegetables. The healthy way of cooking a mixed vegetables in my hometown. So, ito yung kung paano namin lutuin yung gulay sa probinsya, guys. It's so yummy and very healthy. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if you like this video. God bless you all. Take care always.